Today I'm in beautiful Fayetteville, Georgia in the town of Trilith, and I'm going to show you a good representation of the terrace homes in this community. These townhomes exude an air of style and urban sophistication, perfect for the busy young creative. These terrace homes feature 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with an open, inviting floor plan. The main floor has 12-foot ceilings with spacious kitchen, breakfast bar, dining, and living area with a fireplace. The secondary level features a private primary suite with large bath, walk-in closet, and convenient laundry. 2 guest bedrooms with a secondary bath, flex space, and ample storage. The 2-car garage is conveniently located right in the entrance into the main level with an optional elevator available in select homes. The price tag for these townhomes is anywhere between the low 700s and the high 700s depending on the specific unit. But don't get too shocked by this, because if you know Trilith and if you choose to live here, you are paying for the outstanding amenities, lifestyle, construction quality, and green energy technology this community offers. So if you enjoy the content I'm putting out on my channel, and if you're looking to move to the South Metro Atlanta suburbs, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and I have lots more coming. And if I can be of assistance to your home search, I will be delighted to help you find your home when you're ready. But for now, enjoy the tour. If you're thinking about buying a home anywhere in Georgia, go to my website, vickybryant.com, where you can find all of the available homes for sale without having to share your personal information with Zillow and Realtor.com. So go check it out. Now, when you're buying a home in Trilith, you're most likely looking for the unique lifestyle you can get in this one-of-a-kind, geothermal, European-inspired master plan community catering to the film industry here. So I'm just curious, let me know down in the comments, what do you think about this home? If you enjoyed this video today, and if you want to learn more about living in Fayetteville, Georgia, go watch the next video on your screen. I think you'll like it. So go watch it now, and I'll see you there.